in the lives, in professional lives of Wella Professional. Yes, do remember it has AHA, it works in 90 seconds, it is miracle, and it has omega-9. Please do not forget, because I'm going to take this to bed. So you take it home with you too. Have a wonderful evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please say hi to your peers. Do not stop them. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Manushi, so before we actually, dive into our conversation, I want to take this moment to really appreciate your journey from being crowned Miss World to, this powerful mark that you have made in Bollywood. It's truly, truly amazing.
Thank you.
Truly amazing, really. And I'm sure everyone today is eager to hear your hair care secrets and of course the challenges that you have faced with your hair and with your day-to-day life in terms of your profession and in your life as well.
Well, I had a working mother, so like any other working mother, it was very convenient for her to cut my hair short. So I grew up with a boy cut, where most people would get confused whether it's a boy or a girl. As I grew older and I hit puberty, I started to realize that my mom was lying to me all this while. She told me the shorter she cuts my hair, the longer it would grow. And I think most of us have grown up with that lie.
Yes.
And I cut all my doll's hair and it wouldn't grow. And that's when I realized that this is a lie.
Absolutely, yeah.
But I grew up in an Indian household where the weekend was for your hair chumpy, and once a month we would go for in my case, a haircut. Now, luckily, a hair trim because I can make my own decisions. But I think as women and as men, we love hair. The day we have a good hair day, we just feel like better versions of ourselves.
Absolutely.
I feel like I can conquer the world the day my hair is looking really good. So it has a lot to do with your self-confidence. Personally, I've only discovered hair care as I entered the industry because when I was crowned Miss World, I was styling my hair every single day, and that's when I realized the importance of taking care of your hair, especially when there's heat damage or you have to color it quite frequently. So that's when I started my journey, and now I teach my mom how to take care of her hair. But today, I think, because I also act, I think I kind of have reached that little balance where I know what suits my hair. I know that oil might be great for my scalp, but my hair ends also need the right amount of care. So I think now I have a very balanced routine which I tend to follow every weekend.
Oh, great. And I'm sure, your hair would be going through a lot of stress when you go for shoots and, your hair is exposed to a lot of heated tools, products.
Yes.
So what is the biggest hair challenge that you faced, so far?
Hair breakage.
Oh,
and I realized that very recently that I'm not losing hair, my hair is breaking. So like I said, that we grew up with this whole concept of just oiling your scalp, but it's also your hair shafts and your ends that need a certain amount of care.
Absolutely, and I think for a lot of us, a lot of people don't realize, when the hair comes off, whether it's a hair breakage or a hair fall. I think just having that realization in itself is very important, because a lot of times I see people, they have breakage but they treat their hair for hair fall.
No, that's very true, and that's something I'll credit my hair stylist for. He works so regularly on my hair that he always kind of tell me that don't worry, you're not losing hair, just your hair is breaking because we've been styling it a lot, so this is what we can do. So I've kind of discovered my own little balance of things that works for me.
Fantastic. And what's your, go-to hairstyles? Whether you like to go with big bouncy curls or you like to get sleek. So what's your go-to hairstyle?
Well, I am from the pageant world, so big bouncy hair is always great, but that's a lot of maintenance. When I do my own hair, I'm very lazy, so I just like to do a nice, sleek, tied hair look.
Oh,
easy.
Lovely. And as you mentioned, already that a good hair day, about the good hair day. So how important it is to you, having a good hair day? What does it do to you?
Like I said, I feel like a new person. I feel like I can conquer the world. I feel feel better about myself the minute my hair is looking good. And when I was younger, a friend of mine once told me that her father told her this, that once you're older and you start working, there are 3 things that will really affect, will really affect your self-confidence, and
बैठ के
that's
photo click करना तो बैठ के
a very
निकालना।
important aspect of when you present yourself in front of other people. One was your shoes. Your shoes always have to be clean, neat, the way you smell. And the third was your hair. Your hair always has to be well put together. So I think that's a very good tip. I think our hair is something that we wear. It's our crown. And the day my hair feels good, the day I feel good, I know that I'm going to go out there and put my best foot forward.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think hair is something that, it can completely transform you in minutes sometimes. You do a haircut or a color and you are transformed. Yeah, fantastic. And of course, coming to, today's launch. And as you know, we are launching a product that repairs the hair in just 90 seconds. So, would you like to try that?
90 seconds for someone who's running from one place to the other? Yes, please. We were discussing this backstage, and with time, with work and the kind of schedules that we have, the time that we can actually spend on our hair, like as you grow older, you probably can spend more money on your hair, and you know more about your hair and you want to do more to your hair, but there's no time to do it. So it's great that there's innovation and people are coming up with, brands are coming up with newer products which are making it more convenient for us. So that's a blessing. I mean, 90 minutes is a blessing.
And today's world where people don't have time, 90 seconds is a cool. Thank you so much, Manushi, for sharing
Thank you.
All these insights with us and your experiences.
Thank you, everyone.
Really amazing. So, thank you guys, and thank you from my side as well. And of course, we will reach out to you for more detailed information about the product. Our teams will